How to change your Zoom profile picture in your computer. First of all, you open up your Zoom app. As you can see, this is the Zoom app. Then all you need to do, you can see here at the top right that I don't have profile picture yet. So just click on it, and then you go to change my picture. Just click on here. Then you will go to your profile on your Zoom account in your browser. Just make sure that you already log in into your account. All you have to do now is click on here, the pen icon, choose a file, and find a picture that you like and save. And there you can see this is the profile picture for your Zoom. And the profile picture, depending on your size, of course the maximum size when you see in the Zoom, it will be the full screen. But if you use, for example, like small pictures, like small logo, then you can see like it will be very small. So it depending on the size as well. Alright. So now let's go back to the client, and you can see here, it already changed into my picture. So it's automatically changed. So another way, when you click on it, right, you'll notice that once you have a picture there, you are not able to directly change the picture. You don't have the word change profile picture. So if you want to change your profile picture, just click on my profile and you will go back into your browser and show your profile here. Then again, just click on the pen icon and change accordingly. Okay, there is another way quite easily that you can change your profile picture that is not using browser. You can do it even during the Zoom meeting itself. All you have to do is just go to new meeting, or just go to any meetings, then you can see it. Okay, so if you don't on your camera, you can see your profile picture here. So again, as I mentioned, the size will be different depending on what kind of size you put, but this is usually the max size. So you can see that my picture is here. Now I want to change it. All you have to do is go to participants, then you can see yourself, then you can just click on more and click edit profile picture. Just click on it and you can see. All you have to do is just click change picture and the picture can be changed. It is that simple. It is like what you do in the mobile. Immediately there's one place for you to change picture and you can just change it immediately. So yeah, this is that easily. You can change the profile picture in Zoom. You can do it in the browser, or you can do it in the meeting itself. Okay, if you like what I share, give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.